Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the humidity control in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new humidity control. There are two humidity controls installed in this refrigerator. Both of them are located in the fresh food compartment and they are in the crisper drawers. By sliding the humidity control, you can adjust the humidity level inside the drawer. The main reason why the humidity control would need to be replaced is if it breaks, making adjustment impossible. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Let's remove the bottom crisper drawer by pulling it straight out. Alright, let's put this drawer on the table, and then we're going to remove the humidity control. Slide the humidity control all the way to the side, closing the opening, and then I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to place it here in the seam and pry this off just slightly. Do not use any force. And now I can turn it over and remove it. This is the old humidity control next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, this is the new humidity control. So I'm going to turn it vertical. So I'm going to slide it into this slot. Turn it 90 degrees. Push it all the way to the side. And then we're going to place these two tabs here. Now I'm going to bring in the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to press down on a tab. Don't do any hard efforts, just slightly, and push it in at the same time. And now we're going to install the bottom crisper drawer. Slide it onto this frame support and push it all the way in. And now we can adjust the humidity by sliding that to the right or to the left. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.